Hey y'all, it's Kay. Let's get into this wig. I was sent this wig from Yolissa Hair. Be sure to check the description box for links if you guys are interested. But y'all, I do not have the packaging because I took this wig out of the packaging and set it on my mannequin head and I misplaced the box. So I do apologize, but this is how the wig came. The curls, the color, the pre-plucked hairline. It all came like this, you guys. I did not curl this wig. It's laying flat. I did not do anything to this wig but add finishing powder and foundation to the lace. That's it. Okay, let's get into the details of this wig. Now, they sent me the color 18613, which is this ash blonde color. I really like the color. The color is really nice. Y'all let me know what y'all think about the color. Ooh. And the lace is a 13 by 4 HD lace. Definitely HD. Now, depending on the lighting, like my whole filming situation, certain ways I tilted my head, you could kind of see the lace, but I promise you in person, oh my god, the lace ate. This whole wig ate. Honestly, this is a pretty quick and easy install. I would definitely recommend this wig for beginners just because it's already done up for you. Like, you really don't have to put in any effort or work towards making this wig look like something. And I forgot to mention the length of this wig is 24 inches and the thickness, it's a nice thickness, y'all. Like, it's not too thick, but then it's just like, okay, where the lace is, the hair, where the lace is, like the lace front where the hair is, it's very much, you can see like the knots are really small. It lays very much flat. And then when you get to the back, like, it's really full. I love the density of this wig. But yeah, this is pretty much it for this video. This was a super quick and easy wig install. I would definitely recommend this for beginner wig wears. And even if you're looking for a blonde or ash blonde wig, definitely check this one out. It's already done up for you. You don't have to put any work into it. Anyway, I'm gonna get up out of here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave it in my comment section down below. If y'all have not entered the giveaway, hurry up and enter the giveaway. It's for the reddish brown curly wig. Check that video out before, I can't remember, but just check the video out. I'll probably, if I don't forget, leave the link in my description box. But yeah, I love you guys, and I will see y'all in my next video.
Yo.